Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem. Just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So, the problem going to be attempted today is from LeetCode's 150, and it is from stack, and it is valid parenthesis. So, going to read out the spec here. It is given a string S containing just the characters, and then it's just all the brackets. Determine if the input string is valid. It's valid if every open bracket is closed by the same type of bracket. Every open bracket is closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Okay. Wait, open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Okay. And every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Constraints, length of the strings between 1 and 10 to the power 4, and it will only contain brackets. I know it's using a stack because, well, it's from the stack section of LeetCode. Here, hints says use a stack of characters, saying that when you encounter an opening bracket, push it to the top of the stack. When you encounter a closing bracket, check if the top of the stack was the opening for it. If yes, pop it from the stack. Otherwise, return false. So, just trying to visualize that. So, I'm gonna draw this out here. So, if you've got you add this to the stack, and then you have to check if this exists, this here exists. If it is, then you pop both of them. Okay, well you never add this, you just check. When you encounter a closing bracket, you check, okay, is it gonna close this? Yes. Then pop it. So I'm going to just go into my notes here, write down any ideas. So just off to my top of my head, I'm just gonna kind of talk through what it's saying and the hints. So we need a stack. So create a list. We can just create a list and make it act like a stack. Use it as a stack. So iterate through string. If character is opening, then add to stack. If it is closing, ensure it. If it's closing, ensure it is the right type of closing bracket. Okay. If it is closing, ensure it's the right bracket, and pop. If it is closing, if it ensures the right type of closing bracket by checking the last item added to stack and pop it. Cool. If it isn't the right type return false. If you get to the end of string, return false. Cool. This is kind of what we have to implement here. So we're going to call this brack stack. It's a list. Iterate for a string. So for bracket in s, if bracket is equal to, or we could just say if bracket in, and then we can just say if it's in here. Oh no, we have to put it as a list, don't we? If it's in this, this, or this, then we're going to do brack stack dot add, or dot append as. We're going to append bracket. Okay. And then we're going to do if it is closing, so if bracket in oh, other way around, sorry. So if it's a closing bracket, this can be an elif. If it's closing, ensure it's the right type of closing bracket. If bracket is equal to this, we can take it. Let's take this out actually. So let's just do a bunch of elif bracket is equal to this, then let's actually have an idea. We can use a dictionary actually. If we do this, this is what I'm doing here is just mapping the different brackets to each other so that we're not going to have a bunch of else if statements. So if bracket is equal to, let's call this map, brack map, index bracket bracket else if what are we checking? So we're checking if the bracket is equal to, or no, we're checking if this is equal to brack stack at index -1. If it is equal, then we're going to brack underscore map dot pop else return false, and then we can just do return true if it gets to the end. Is pop the right syntax? Is it dot pop or key error? Hmm. Hmm. If bracket in this, which it should be, let's do print, just print anything. Hmm. Okay. So we get to here, and it's a closing bracket, so it's not here. Oh, so this is actually the other way around. Like that. So if we run this, we get pop expected 1 argument. Oh, we got 0. See if we do pop -1. I thought it pop defaulted to -1. Pop dot remove, bracket dot remove -1. Ah, right, okay, that's why I'm removing it from the map, not the stack. Hopefully this will work. Okay, these cases got accepted. Let's submit and hope. Wrong answer. So that is because we didn't check that if it was empty. So the stack has to be empty at the end. So we're gonna just do this thing at the end, and we're gonna check if length of brack stack is equal to 0. Then we're gonna return true. Add this test case, run it. This should return true. Cool. Let's hit submit. And hopefully, if we're lucky, runtime error? Index out of range? Hmm. Okay, that's a problem. We need to put a thing in here, and the length of brack stack is not equal 0. Add the test case, run. Hmm. I think maybe we have to put this check here. Okay. I don't want to keep on submitting, but let's try. Accepted. There we go. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape, or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution that was a bit more simple or efficient, please leave it down below. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So, yep, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.